So in this video we are going to solve from question number 8 to 11. Classify the following techniques according to whether the writer states they. So these are the three options A, B, C, and the questions are from 8 to 11. So option A is are currently exclusively used by Australians. So currently is a keyword. Currently means presently, now, today, or in these days. And the other thing is that currently also refers to the present indefinite tense. Our sentences will be into the present indefinite tense related to option A. And B option is will be used in the future by Australians. कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया जो है वो मुस्तकबिल में इनको इस्तेमाल करेगा. So future is a keyword and the helping verb will is a keyword. Our answers will be in those lines in which the word future will be given or the word will be in the sentences. C are currently used by both Australians and their rivals. Okay, currently means presently, now, today, in these days, and the sentences will be into the present indefinite tense. Are currently used by both Australians and their rivals. Australia और उनके जो rivals हैं, यानी ऑस्ट्रेलिया के जो rivals means other countries, दूसरे ममालिक हैं, वो मौजूदा दौर में क्या कर रहे हैं, इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं. So the questions are question number 8 cameras, question number 9 sensors, question number 10 protein tests, question number 11 altitude tests. So these are the questions and we have to find these keywords into the reading passage, and then we have to find whether it is currently used by Australia or will be used by Australians or currently being used by the Australians and the other rivals. So let's start. Our first question is cameras. We have to find the word cameras into the reading passage, and then we have to match question number 8 with either of these three options. So the cameras we can find in section C, here the digital cameras. So let's read these sentences. Mason's contribution to sport also includes the development of the swimming analysis. मैसन की जो स्पोर्ट्स में कंट्रीब्यूशन थी उसमें स्वेन का डेवलप करना शामिल है, which means swimming analysis system. Now, so now is a keyword which refers to the word currently. Now used in Australian national competitions. It means that swimming analysis system is now or currently being used by Australian national competitions. It means swimming analysis system. It collects is also into the present indefinite tense. It means presently, currently. It collects images from digital cameras. यानी कि स्विमिंग एनालिसिस सिस्टम जो है वो डिजिटल कैमरा से इमेज को कलेक्ट करता है. So it means that digital cameras are being used by Australia nowadays or currently. So we can match the option A, are currently exclusively used by Australians. So we can write A in front of question number 8. Next is the sensors. We have to find the word sensors. And we can read here, we have found the word sensors. So let's see. With the Cooperative Research Center for Macrotechnology in Melbourne. So Melbourne is the city of Australia. So Melbourne refers to the Australia. They are developing unobtrusive sensors. यानी कि जो कोऑपरेटिव रिसर्च सेंटर वाले हैं वो ऑस्ट्रेलिया यानी मेलबर्न में जो है वो सेंसर्स को डेवलप कर रहे हैं, बना रहे हैं, अभी उन्होंने मुकम्मल तैयार नहीं किए। Then we can find the key helping verb that will. So will refers to the future that will be embedded in an athlete's clothes or running shoes, जो कि किसी खिलाड़ी के जूतों, किसी खिलाड़ी के कपड़ों और उसके रनिंग शूज के साथ क्या किए जाएंगे, जड़े जाएंगे या लगाए जाएंगे। So it means these will be used by Australia in future. Sensors will be used by Australia in future. So we can say B option will be used in future by Australians. So sensors, question number 9, and the answer is option B. Question number 10, protein tests. Protein tests. Here we have found the word protein. So let's see where the sentence starts. AIS means Australian Sporting Organisation, and the University of Newcastle in New South Wales developed a test कि AIS ने और यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ साउथ कासल जो कि साउथ वेल्स में है, उसने एक टेस्ट बनाया है that measures this verb is also into the present indefinite tense. So measures refers to the currently. That measures how much of immune system protein hemoglobin A is present in athlete's saliva. So it means that the protein tests are now being used by Australia, and it is a test that measures, जो पैमाश करता है, how much of immune system protein hemoglobin A, कि कितना प्रोटीन सिस्टम हेमोग्लोबिन A जो है वो मौजूद है इन एथलीट सलाइवा, एक एथलीट के सलाइवा या उसके थूक में. So a protein test is now being used or currently being used by Australians. So we can write option A, are currently exclusively used by Australians. Question number 11, altitude tests. So altitude tent is given here in last section F, and let's start reading. Of course there is nothing to stop other countries copying. बेशक कोई भी चीज़ जो है वो दूसरे ममालिक को कॉपी करने से रोक नहीं सकती, एंड मैनी हैव ट्राइड, और बेशुमार ममालिक ने कॉपी करने की कोशिश भी की है. सम ईयर्स अगो, कुछ साल पहले, दी AIS unveiled coolant line jackets for endurance athletes. AIS ने coolant line jackets को खिलाड़ियों के लिए मुतारफ करवाया at the Atlanta Olympic Games in 1996. एटलांटा ओलंपिक गेम्स में 1996 के अंदर. These slice as much as 2% of cyclists and rower times. Now means अब. Everyone uses them. हर एक खिलाड़ी या हर एक मुल्क का खिलाड़ी इस कूल लाइन जैकेट को इस्तेमाल करता है. The same has happened. बिल्कुल ऐसा ही वाकया पेश आया है किसके साथ? To the altitude tent के साथ भी. यानी कि जिस तरह कूलन लाइन जैकेट जो थी वो ऑस्ट्रेलिया ने मुतारफ करवाई थी या AIS ने मुतारफ करवाई थी, और बाकी कंट्रीज़ के खिलाड़ी भी उस कूलन लाइन जैकेट को इस्तेमाल करना शुरू हो गए थे, इसी तरह अल्टीट्यूड टेंट के साथ भी ऐसा ही वाकया हुआ है कि अल्टीट्यूड टेंट को ऑस्ट्रेलिया ने मुतारफ करवाया है और बाकी ममालिक भी उसको आप इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं, उसकी कॉपी कर रहे हैं. सो इट मीन्स altitude tent refer to the option C, are currently used by both Australians and their rivals. So we can write C in front of question number 11.